guys, so today I'm here in the water again. It's a really clear day, and I'm excited to get in there and find some more relics. However, before we do, I want you to check out what happened last weekend at this same spot. I found something really super old, super cool, and just to give you a little perspective, our country wasn't even formed yet. So that's how old it is. So take a look at the video, and I hope you enjoy it. It was a lot of fun for me, and hopefully today we'll find something just as cool. Can you guys hear that? That is going to be, I think, maybe a coin. It's hitting around 79, 80. I think we should go investigate. It's not very deep, so that's a good thing. Alright, let's do it. I'm going to take you under and show you this cool, what I think is a musket ball or something. Might be a fishing weight, but it looks round to me, so let's go see what it is. Check out this old fishing weight. This thing's so old it has a string tied to it. I think I'm in a good spot here. Let's keep going. So I just pulled up something so awesome. I don't even know what it is, but I think it's silver. It's a silver coin, and I think it's wicked old. See the glimmer? See the outline of it? That looks like a real or something. Oh, there's some writing on it too, but I can't see it. Looks like a King George, maybe. Some of you guys may not be as amazing to you. You probably found these before, but for me, it is the oldest, I would say, I'm not going to give it away yet, but oldest relic I have ever found to date. See the head now, it's kind of coming out. That's gotta be a silver coin. That is awesome. Alright, so I'm going to do a little midday recap here. So far at this new place I'm at, done pretty good. Got all these old little fishing sinkers there. Got a lot of sinkers, different sizes, different weights, fishing lures. Got a musket ball. It's actually a musket ball. I don't know how old, but it's definitely there, definitely old. I got some old, some bullets here, some smaller ones. I got some pottery, which I just found that. I don't know what this thing is in the middle. Did find some money, but check it out. There's my King George, I think. Not sure what kind of coin. I'm thinking it might be silver, but I'm not sure yet. So I gotta go home and clean that up. Got a couple pennies, nickel, dime. Really old sinker. Check it out. The string's still attached to it. So not too bad. This new place, I like it. There's a potential. We're going to keep going downstream a little bit and see if there's anything else. Any other little holes that people may have swam in. Well, I'm all done for the day. I didn't find anything really too incredibly crazy the second half of the day. But I did find a few more sinkers and a spoon. No shortage of fishing weights, that's for sure. Anyway, I hope you liked the video, had fun. We got to figure out what that coin is for sure, and I'll definitely give you an update on that one when we get back. Well, I got an update on this coin I just found in the water today. It is a 1769 King George III half penny. It's not worth that much money, but it's still pretty cool. I found something that old. That is my oldest coin ever, beating out my 1773 Spanish real. Here's a shot on the back of it.